download, go to this website.
Yeah, GitHub.
Yeah, download for Windows, right? Just click here, download and install. Once we install, what we get, right? If you search for git here, you will get three options. First one is git bash. That is what we need to open. Let me open this. So once it opened, you have to execute this command to generate the SSH key. So what is this key? This key is used to integrate your local Git to the github.com, which is on the cloud. So first we are generating the public and private key using this command. Okay. See here, it should be your email, anything to enter. So it will show the path. This is where the key will be saved. Okay, so you can just say nothing so that it will go to the same file. It is already there, that's okay. I'll just overwrite. Then passphrase, nothing, you don't need to enter anything. Now key is generated. Okay, it will be there here. We can go to this path and copy the key, or we can directly write one more command which will copy into clipboard. Okay. The command is clip then less than, then we have .ssh id 25519.pub. pub means public key. So now this is copied to my clipboard. So we can cross check using pasting here. See, this is copied. Now let's go to our github.com. Go here in the profile, go to settings, then go to SSH and GPG keys. Here you see this new SSH key. Click on this. Title, you can keep anything. My local authentication key, and this I have to paste here, and add SSH key. So it is asking me the password to confirm. So once I entered password, it is you have successfully added. So once you add key, right, now you will be able to clone all the repositories. So this I have already given access to everyone. If you go to this place, you will find this code icon here. If you click on the drop down, there will be three options given. Whether you want to clone using HTTPS, SSH and GitHub. So we will go with SSH. Okay, and wherever you want to keep your code, go to the folder. Yeah, Git bash we can open anyway, even from here also. I'm just going here. Okay, Git Python. So I'm just creating new folder here. Inside this, I can just right click, open Git bash here. Why I'm doing this here? My Git bash is now opening in this path. The earlier one is in different path. Now what I have to do? Yeah, git clone.
No, git init, right?
No, not required. That is when you are creating a Git repo from your local for the first time. This is something we already have in the cloud. I'm just cloning it.
Okay. So you
see now?
it is down.
Yep. Yeah. Now it is cloned. So whatever you see in cloud now, it is same thing here. Both are integrated now. You see everything here. Class nodes here. Okay. Now let's assume now I am adding new file here. Some new file. I can just type something and add temporarily. Text let's assume I'm adding a new file here. Now what should I do? So we already opened this here, right? Now we need to open that folder, git file. See, it is showing something here. You observe, this is the branch, same thing what we see here in the cloud main. Currently we have only one branch. We can create new branches and start working on those new branches also. So how do we create new branch? Git branch, sorry, git checkout -b. Let's say I'm just giving mine. Now it is switching to new branch. Okay. In the new branch I want to add the file. I already added the file there, and if we do git status, it will tell you any changes. It is telling, okay, there is some new file, you want to go ahead and add this. So after git status we have to add the file. Add class node, then sample. This is what I want to add. I added. Now git status, if you see, it comes in the green because it is added.
Push, right? We need to push.
Yeah, no, commit. Next you should do commit. You can tell, okay, added new file, some message what you want to tell. Okay, why are you doing this change? Why are you committing something? What is the use of it? Some kind of meaningful text you can keep here. So once you do commit, right, now the changes are committed in your local branch. It is not yet pushed to the cloud. So how do you push it to cloud? You just have to type git push. Okay, it is giving me this little warning because in the cloud I don't have that branch. So when it is not there in the cloud, right, I have to tell this command set upstream. That means you create a new branch in cloud also. You see, now branch is created. As soon as I created the branch, you see then pop-up has come in the behind scene.
Yeah.
Had recent push 3 seconds ago. Okay, if you see now, you will have my branch. You see, one more branch created. If I open this branch, then only you will see that new file I created, sample.txt. Okay, if I go to my main branch, you will not see that file. You see that file is not there because I made the changes only in the topic branch. Okay, so in the real-time world, right, you think this main as a production code running that nobody should touch without any proper review, proper
So merge request will go, right, to push it to the main.
being a developer, okay, now I'll take a topic branch or feature branch from the main like this and create all my changes. Okay, once my changes are there, everything is good, what we have to do is we have to create something called pull request. Okay, from here also we can create, and here also sometimes it will show, both are same. It is showing compare and pull request. So it will ask you, okay, you want to compare with which branch? So I want to compare with main branch, right? So here you see one file changed. So this is what the file change they are showing. It will show how many additions, how many deletions also here, what you are changing. So you have to create this PR. Okay, here reviewer is there, right? I think to one of you I can assign this. Let's say I'm assigning to Bharat. I can assign to multiple people also. Okay, so now you three guys are the review for my PR. Okay, I can write some description, new testing file, please approve. Okay, so as I create this, right, PR, you guys will get a notification that okay, Sarath is requesting you for the review. Once you guys approve, at least one of you approve, then I will be able to match this. See, here there is no rule actually, still I am able to match. We can add a rule here to restrict matching it. Now assume you guys already approved my request. Okay, what I do, I go here and click on merge pull request, confirm merge.
In our company, like we have the merge
uh,
request.
yeah, so now you see pull request successfully merged and closed. So usually what we do, right, when we merge our changes into main branch, we will delete the topic branch because there will be so many branches, right? So we delete the topic branch, delete it. Okay, now if you go to the code, you see there is only one branch now. The Sharad branch is deleted because I just deleted. However, we made changes already, right? If you go to class notes, now you see sample text file has come here. This is how we work in real time also. Exactly. I hope this is clear. So what I suggest you guys, right? Here I have given class notes, right? You can write your own folder in main this, and you keep committing your assignment codes here, right? So how you can create new folder when you clone, right? When you are in your class notes, right? Same thing, how you create folder. Yeah, I think you already Srikanth pushed, right? Srikanth day 2 assignment, it has come already. Yeah, so you can just create one. Inside this you commit all your assignments. So I'll be able to check in my local. If I want, I can check directly here. See, I can see Srikanth day 2 assignments here. Yeah,
I
like
just pasted my notepad.
yeah, but this is good, right? In the
Uh,
live we have committed.
yeah.
So, yeah, this is how Git is used in real time.
Can you tell me what is a push request?
Push
It
push means you are pushing your local changes into cloud.
correct. I wanted to do that. I,
Yeah, git space push. And I did not mention git pull, right?
will to push to some refs. GitHub.
Yeah, so basically if you want to get your cloud changes into your local, right? So the command is git pull. So when you do that, if any changes not there in your local but there in cloud, everything will come to your local also. You see, now I got some files. This simple text was not there earlier, right, in the main branch. That also I got now, yeah, in the class.